Product is two-layer wire braided pressure washer hose. Is NBR and the reinforcement is two high tensile steel wire braid. And our fourth product is two-layer wire braided high temperature washer hose. The tube is also EPDM and the reinforcement is two high tensile steel wire braid. The cover is wear and weather resistant EPDM, last one. And the application it is also suitable for high pressure cleaning, washer, sandblasting, rust removal, paint removal. And the temperature range is also from -40 to 180 degrees. And the blasting pressure is 4 times of the working pressure. These two products are mainly used to transport some high temperature media, such as hot water, hot air, steam, etc.